In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve chapter number 1, number system. The set of real numbers can be written as R. So R is equal to Q union Q primes, that is Q mean rational number and Q dash mean irrational number, where Q is the set of rational numbers and Q dash is the set of irrational number, is known as real number. Next, rational number can also be defined. So rational number is a number which can be put in the form of P over Q, where PQ belong to Z and Q not equal to 0 is known as rational number. For example, under root of 16, 3 divided by 4, 2, 7 are rational numbers. Next, terminating decimal representation of rational numbers, that is first terminating decimal. It means ending point. So a decimal which has only a finite number of digits in its decimal point is called a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal represents a rational number. Thus 3.7 is a terminating decimal, 0.305, that is after decimal point 4 digit, so that is terminating decimal, and 207.91 digit after decimal part, that is terminating decimals or rational number. Next, recurring decimal, second type. Recurring decimal is a decimal in which one or more digits repeat indefinitely. Every recurring decimal represents a rational number, thus 0.333333 up to so on. So repeats indefinitely same digit, that is 3. So 1.575 57 57 57 two same digit repeats indefinitely are rational numbers. That is the example of recurring decimals. So next, second types of terminating decimal, that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is a number which cannot be put into the form P over Q, where PQ belong to Z and Q not equal to 0. So this symbol is known as AND. For example, under root of 2 is irrational number, under root 3 is irrational number, under root of 5 divided by 6 is irrational numbers or irrational numbers. Note that a non-terminating non-recurring decimal represents an irrational number. Non-terminating means no ending point. So non-recurring decimal represents no ending point, that is 0.3333 up to so on. Which is the required solution? If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.